Alright, I just want to make a video, real short one, for anyone with this little cab post right here. This right here, if it's broke, the end of it won't snap up in there, don't go pay $40, $50, $60, $70 for something like this. Let me show you a little fix. This is what I was talking about. All I done was just drilled holes in it. I zip tied it. Just because this, and they all break, whether you're detailing or whatever the case, it don't matter. But don't go pay. Take your drill holes right here. This has been on here for a very long time. This little cab corner post. You just put it down in here. Well, like so. Will not come out. Don't go pay extra price for that. Do not pay $50 for that. You zip tie it. It works. It will not come out.